nature and gardens play a pivotal role in fostering a sense of well-being and tranquility in our lives. The importance of nature lies in its ability to provide a respite from the fast-paced and often stressful modern world. Gardens, as curated extensions of nature, offer a therapeutic sanctuary where individuals can reconnect with the natural environment. The presence of greenery, vibrant flowers, and the soothing sounds of birdsong contribute to reduce stress levels and enhance mental health. Engaging with nature has been linked to improved mood, increased creativity, and a heightened sense of overall happiness. In cultivating an appreciation for the outdoors, we not only enhance our own mental and emotional well-being but also contribute to the preservation of biodiversity and the delicate balance of ecosystems. Furthermore, our gardens serve as living canvases where we can express our creativity and cultivate a deeper connection with the environment. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, gardens contribute to sustainable living by supporting local ecosystems and providing habitats for diverse plant and animal species. Additionally, they offer an opportunity for individuals to learn about and practice responsible environmental stewardship through practices such as composting, water conservation, and organic gardening. As urbanization continues to encroach upon natural landscapes, maintaining and nurturing gardens becomes increasingly vital in creating pockets of biodiversity and promoting environmental awareness. In essence, nature and our gardens serve as essential elements in fostering a harmonious coexistence between humanity and the natural world, contributing to a healthier and more sustainable future.